Single European rail area remains one of the core pillars of future mobility in the European Union. As an active founding member of Europe Rails initiative, Talgo has participated in the development of new solutions aligned with this very same purpose. And now the time has come to show our true colors regarding the new budgetary and regulatory frameworks currently under discussion. An harmonized European-wide approach is crucial for managing the complex innovation transition needed to future-proof the sector. Without a coordinated research and innovation initiative, individual actors risk duplicating efforts, slowing the progress and hindering interoperability. This means giving priority to those solutions that enhance interoperability within the intercity market segment and that offer energy-efficient operations with lighter trains and full accessibility to passengers. A simplified and integrated European railway, a resilient, sustainable and recoverable European railway system, and a renewed take on innovative high-speed rail corridors are initiatives that fully align with Talgo mission. As a result, supporting the successor to the Europe's Rail joint undertaking with sufficient and long-term funding is the meaningful and necessary way to prevent Europe's rail sector from idling and to reinforce the competitiveness and strategic coherence of the whole European railway ecosystem with a single and common defensive goal, all while keeping the goals of decarbonization and societal well-being.